Okay, next morning, first thing, you open your Printing XP software and then go to your setting and make sure, okay, you're gonna, the first thing, suction on, and you will hear your machine making their fan noise. Suction on, suction on. And check your setting, the speed. If you think your speed is too high, you can choose medium. So choose medium. And the print direction is bio direction, pre-print flush is on, and auto cleaning you can choose close because we're ready, and keep it soaking and cleaning every day. And the color bar you can choose off. And if you think you want on, you can choose the white and the status, or you can choose the wetting and status. You can choose the status. And when you're printing, you're gonna see, and the first one is you're gonna get a color bar on the edge, but I prefer this one off. So, and also this one you can choose deep and the strong A. You can also choose the foggy type, doesn't really affecting, but I normally keep the strong A. And then mirror printing, that's your image needed to be mirrored, because when you heat press it, you must check the, because your printing must be mirrored. Okay, that's important. Every morning when you're starting printing from Printing XP, you must make sure and you suction on. Once you're on, please click save and wait for loading the parameters and finish. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna go for clean. You always try, you can try in the morning, you can try clean normal or clean strong. Let's try clean strong. 照地面。But you wait for your machine to cleaning, because you need to drain the cleaning solution out from the last night from the camping. Okay, while you're waiting for the cleaning done. And then after cleaning is done, what you can do, and you can go move the carriage out of the camping position. Okay, you can see all of the cleaning dirty stuff from last night soaking, and you can get a kitchen towel and wipe to make sure it's clean. And then you can also, in the morning, you can also clean your rubber, because your rubber is dirty. You can also use a kitchen towel to rub your rubber gently. Okay, once you're done, you come back, X reset. Okay, we're done cleaning now. Now we're gonna go and check the nozzle. How's the nozzle gonna coming out? Okay, in the morning you can do a nozzle test. After you clean, you can check all of the nozzle is almost 98%. Then you can carry printing.